लोकसभा वेंचणुकेच्या फाटभुंयेर आचारसंहिता लागू जाल्या। हाका लागून यानफुडें राजकीय पक्षाच्या सगळ्या व्यवहारांचेर वेंचणूक आयोगाचें लक्ष आसतलें। या काळात जर खंयचो गैरप्रकार घडलो जाल्यार नागरिकांनी ते यंत्रणेक कळीत करचें, अशें आवाहन उत्तर आनी दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लो अधिकाऱ्यान सोमारा पत्रकार परिशद घेवन केला। हे शिवाय गोंयांत लोकसभा वेंचणुकेच्या फाटभुंयेर कशा पद्दतीन तयारी चल्ल्या ताची माहिती तांणी ह्या परिशदेच्या माध्यमांतल्यान नागरिकांक दिल्या।
Since Election Commission is also focusing on making on 4 F's which ECI had said in its press release, curbing money power, muscle power, and reporting on MCC violations and preventing misinformation. So our teams are also active, and we have stationed 23 flag squads in the field and 16 static surveillance teams are stationed in the district.
With respect to any bribery or inducement, we are appealing that any such attempts to give cash or freebies to the voter will be liable for penal action under section 171B and 171C of IPC. Further, we had a meeting with all the banks in South Goa district, and we have directed them to report any suspicious transactions in the district and give daily reports for the same. Also, I would like to appeal to the general public and business people to refrain from carrying cash above 50,000. And if at all they are carrying, they should carry proper documentation. Otherwise, the money will be subjected to seizure, and then they'll have to come and prove that the money is with proper documentation. Further, I'd like to appeal to all voters to follow fair and ethical voting process and come in maximum number and vote for election on 7th of May. And even now, those who have not gotten voter card, they can still apply. They can still make the Form 6, and we will still process their forms and give them voter ID cards. So the mother roll is already prepared. So whatever new forms which are coming, we will put in the supplement roll, and they will also be made available for voting.